Hey guys, I am so excited. Lana and I are going to go into the Dollar Tree for the first time together. I'm sure I've been there before, but I can't remember the last time I've been there. And one of the dance moms recommended it for fun little like crafts to do. So I'm excited. And we just set up her new mud kitchen, so I want to see if they have any mud kitchen stuff as well. So come along with us. You could paint that car. I like this one, look. See, it's like a butterfly and it has a drawer. Would you like to paint that?
I paint this.
Oh, a frame? That's kind of neat. I think we need more bouncy balls, don't we? You want to pick out a bouncy ball?
Okay.
You see these stickers? Do you like any of these? What about number stickers? I'm looking here, baby. Do you need a new drawing pad? Here's a notepad.
Is that a Landa notepad?
Yeah, you want a Landa notepad? You can pick one out. Look at all these notepads. What?
She's playing a guitar.
Oh my gosh. Oh, Daniel goes out for dinner. Look at this one.
Blue.
Blue? Okay. Can you pull it off?
And then some new tongues.
Yeah, you can get new tongs. That's a great idea. Need the muffin tins? Would you like to make some muffins in your mud kitchen?
I'm sure. I'm gonna make
The mummy muffins? All right. Want to put that in your shopping cart? I think we got some good stuff. So excited, Taggy. We didn't find much for arts and crafts, but we found a lot of stuff for her new mud kitchen. So let me show you what we got. Random stuff. Landon picked those out. So this is to clean Landon's mud kitchen. So we need to cut that off. She picked these cleaning pads out. So all of this was $22. This is pretty awesome. She called it a strawberry squeezer. I said, do you want a lemon squeezer? She said, how about a strawberry squeezer? So it's gonna be good. Squeeze some mud out. What? Isn't that a good idea?
Yeah.
Anna's been helping me clean the kitchen lately. So these are like small sponges. I was like cutting the sponges up. So that was really good. She is into cars. Daddy got her Hot Wheels. So this is a car that rolls and you can paint. That's really the only arts and crafts. She picked out 2 footballs. Ready, Lena? Here's your other football.
Yeah.
Ready? Put your hands out. Almost. The rest of her mud kitchen stuff. She got little tongs, a little whisk, spatula, ladle. Thought this was really cute. A little muffin tin so she can make mud muffins. And then she found these. So she can make little mud muffins in her kitchen. Isn't that exciting?
Yeah, I'm ready to make it.
She got 2 magic towels. Originally, I think there were 8 in the shopping cart.
Mommy,
so we decided
can I do those hot magic towels?
Yeah, we can do them. Landon likes to draw in notepads. We got some number stickers. That would be good for the notepad, actually, Landon. We're a big fan of Daniel Tiger. Oh, this looks like a good one. Going out to dinner with Katarina Kitty Cat. And then she picked this one out. Very Good Food. Butterbeans Cafe Fun Activity. Oh, this looks cool. It's like a little activity book. Paper teacup. Looks like it's suitable for ages 3 and over. Landon picked that out on her own. I think that's everything. All right, let's go take this stuff down to the mud kitchen. You wanna put it in your mud kitchen?
Oh, can I open this up?
Yeah, they're already open. See it right there.
Yeah.
Do you want me to get you more water for your mud?
Okay.
You can spill it, honey.
I can spell it.
Yeah, it's yours to do whatever you want with it. But if you want to make mud, you need to take it to your dirt. You mix it in, right? Oh yeah. Do you want some more water?
No, okay.
I think we may need a little more water, don't you? I'll get you a little more. Both hands? Let me help you with the tongs.
No.
I'll show you how to do it. Watch, these are a little tricky. So you have to squeeze it and then you push this up to use them. Landon!
I'm about to put this in the oven.
Those look delicious. What kind of muffins are they?
No, chocolate.
Chocolate muffins. I'm so excited.
I'm about to put this in this oven.
Okay, where's your oven? Over there?
Okay, I let it cook. And now I will keep baking.
Looks like some good mud. My kitchen is such a big hit. That little shelf is just a shoe rack that I got off Amazon. And I took one of my mixing bowls and put it on top, and she loves it. Like, she's so intense. She loves to bake with me, but what I love about my kitchen, it's completely a yes space. So she has the freedom to make mistakes. She has the freedom to problem solve. And you know, her fine motor skills, it's the whisking and the scooping and the ladling and pretend play. It's so much. So highly recommend if you guys have space to set one up if you haven't already. I will put down links below. And I had no idea the Dollar Tree was so cool. I wish I had more arts and crafts stuff. So maybe like I'll try out a different one. Or maybe I somehow missed it in the store. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. And I want to do like more of a natural play area for her down in our yard since we live in the woods. But that would require some time, some husband help. So hopefully we can find time this summer to set it up, and I will definitely share it, but that's gonna require like some planning and some help from Dad, so we'll see. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Check out the links below. Bye. Oh, in the soup? You make some strawberry soup?